Hello there, welcome to the first devlog video of this new game that I've been working on for about a week now. I've had the idea for a little while. It's kind of hard to explain, so I'm going to explain the concept of the game a bit later, but for this video I just want to show the first main mechanic that I've been working on, which is the messages or the dialogues of it. This is something that's going to be really important to the game because there's going to be kind of this omniscient narrator talking to you throughout the whole thing, and so I kind of really want to spend a lot of time to make sure I got a good message system working, and I'm also going to be working on it a bit more, which I'm going to show the progress of it over the course of this video. So at the moment the way I have it is that you can get a set of messages in an array. As you can see, this is the first message, second message, etc., and if you press space it goes through them and then it ends. So the way I have it at the moment is that I can put in some parameters, so I can put in where on the screen I want it. So center is where it is left, center or right, and then bottom is top, middle or bottom. And I can also choose which font. So I've got 4 different fonts loaded. So if I change it to the 4th font, and if I make this in the left and in the top, and then we try it now, see it's in the top left and with a different font. See there? So now it's got the different font in a different position. So this is kind of the start of this system, but I was thinking about it today and I really wanted to have it so that I could apply these sorts of parameters to each message individually, because at the moment these positions and fonts apply to the whole message set as a whole. So I wanted to implement a system that would let me add those sorts of parameters to each message, and I also wanted to add more like color, size, changing their transitions so you saw that they fade in and kind of move around a bit. I wanted to build on that and add some more options and make it a bit more dynamic, so that's what I'm going to start working on now. Alright, so I've got the basics of it working. So if I show you this now, I've got 4 messages in here. I've made each message its own object, which has the parameters of its message, size, font, X location and Y location. And I've got a few different constructors just so I can do different combinations, because some messages I might not want to specify all the values. I might just want to use the defaults. But then there's all sorts of combinations just so I can do different things, just so it's not a pain to write out every single time. So if I show you this, I've got fonts for each one. I've got different positions and different sizes, so let's play this and see. So we've got the first message just down the bottom in the middle with the first font. I've actually just realized that the fonts, I haven't done that yet, so alright, so now hopefully this should work. So we've got the first message, first font, in the bottom, in the middle, that's just the most default. Now if we go to the next one, we've got the second font, it's bigger, it's in the top left. Now if we go to the third one, it's the other font. Oh, that one's not very good, well, not very easy to read. But that's in the middle on the right and it's smaller. And then if we go to the last one, it's in the middle, it's the regular size and it's the last font. So we've got all that working. So now I've got this kind of dynamic message system where I can really kind of really have different effects for each message, make it a bit more impactful and work well with the story and how the narration is going to play out. So this will be really interesting to play with. I'm going to keep working on this and hopefully keep making videos like this. I hope this was interesting. I hope people will watch this. I'm really excited to work on this game, and I'll probably make a video kind of explaining the concept of the game a bit further, because I know I didn't explain it at all here. I just thought this was an interesting system to show off. And yeah, thanks for watching.